I want to show you how to get your YouTube channel ID. So if you're ready, let's do this. So I have a browser open on my computer. I need to go to YouTube. Now there are many ways you can go to YouTube. You can go youtube.com and hit enter. Or in my own case, I already have saved the link here. So I will just click it from there. Once you've done that, you need to go to the top right hand corner and click on your profile icon. So I'm going to click it here. As you can see, I click it. Now we need to go to settings. So right towards the bottom of that navigation modal, I'm going to click on settings. All right, so here I am. Right here, I will click on view advanced settings, and I will copy and use my channel ID if I need to. But that is it, guys. This is your channel ID. Thank you. Bye-bye.